In this video, you are going to learn how to add an order bump to your page. So basically, this is an order bump. This will increase your cart value. So here I increase $9 to the Fearless Marketing. You can rebrand this, and many of you already bought this one, so you understand what it is. And now to create an order bump like this, you can go to your funnels, then head over to the funnels that you are going to work on. In here, you will choose the upsell order form right here. Now just click on edit page. You can look at this again. The order bump is right below the price section. So if I scroll down, and you will see the order bump is already here. If you don't see it, you can basically scroll down here on the left side and you will see an order bump button, and you can just drag it from here to here. For example, I will drag it here for you to see. Boom. And now you see the order bump format right here, right? So because I already have it, so I just remove it. Okay, so you can just see it because I made it in the template already. You can go ahead and add the price for this order bump.